Welcome to the Wave Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Wave Tax Software is a free, user-friendly accounting and tax software primarily aimed at small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. It offers a robust suite of features designed to simplify the process of tracking expenses, managing invoicing, and handling taxes, all from one central platform. One of Wave's most notable features is its seamless integration of accounting and tax tools. It automatically imports bank transactions, categorizes them, and allows for real-time tracking of income and expenses, making it easier for users to prepare for tax season. The software simplifies tax filing by automatically calculating sales tax, deductions, and other tax liabilities based on the data you input. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors, which can be costly during tax filing. Wave's invoicing feature is particularly useful for small business owners. It allows you to create professional invoices quickly, track payments, and send reminders for overdue payments, all within the software. This integration of invoicing with tax tracking means that the tax data you need is already organized, which is a huge time saver when filing taxes. For tax filings, Wave also supports automatic generation of financial reports, including income statements and balance sheets, which can be critical for preparing accurate tax returns. Although the core software is free, Wave offers paid services like payroll and advanced bookkeeping, which can be useful if your business grows. Wave is ideal for freelancers and small business owners who need a simple, efficient solution for managing taxes and finances without the complexity of larger, more expensive software. Overall, Wave Tax Software provides a powerful set of tools that streamline accounting, tax calculations, and reporting, making it a solid choice for small businesses. For more details, be sure to check the links in the description below.